Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you frustrated with inconsistent product page or product image size not going through? Well, in this video, we'll show you how to fix WooCommerce product image size issues and get your store looking sharp in 2024. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, we all have been through that specific phase where we try to add an image to our products and it doesn't really fit. It's either too big, either too small, or it's not really uploading into the site in the first place. So how can you find the solution for this? Well, that is what I'm going to explain to you in this video. Now, in WooCommerce Guide, there are several types of images. There's not only one. So there are many types of images that you can add to your website, but the primary three types used in WooCommerce are product catalog and product thumbnail images. Single product images are basically the large size pictures used to view a single product. This is the major image of the product that you display to customers when they open the particular WooCommerce product page. You can add more than one product image to show the product from various angles, and there is also the second one, which is the catalog images. They are medium-sized images or products typically used on the WooCommerce shop page. If you have separate category page in your online store, these catalog images can also be seen on the product categories on the products themselves. And third, the product thumbnail images. These are thumbnail images that are very small in size. They are displayed to identify the products on various WooCommerce pages, such as the cart page or the widget areas, or even in the order pages. Now, common problems with WooCommerce image sizes are basically, as you can see, blurry images. So when you try to get a picture and this picture is too small and you try to adjust its size to make it bigger, well, with that you are affecting the quality of the image, which can reduce the visibility and make it kind of blurry. So this is one of the most common problems. The images that you upload for your product or thumbnails appear blurry and might not be clearly visible, even if the original image wasn't compressed, was clearly visible and had a great quality. Not only do blurry images look bad, but also the impression that you cite isn't professional. So this is how the normal image looks like, and this is how the blurry image looks like. The text is not clearly visible. You could read it if you focused, but still this is a lack of professionalism, so you will need to always fix that. Second is low quality image. Similar to blurry images, some pictures on your website might be lower quality after you have uploaded them. They might seem pixelated or not have as smooth lines as that of the original ones. This can happen even if the uploaded image has an excellent quality. We will see why and how to fix it in the next section. Third is wrong image sizes. Sometimes you might also notice that the uploaded image have different sizes than the one that you have seen in original form. This is a very common issue if you don't adjust your image settings according to them requirements. For example, let's say your theme requirements for catalog is at least 250 pixels, but the WooCommerce image settings are in your store 200 and 200. So the settings aren't configured according to the theme requirements. Your image might be automatically adjusted with the wrong image size, and that can cause the image to have bad quality as well. Fourth, we have zoom, lightbox, or slider issues. WooCommerce provides you with zoom, lightbox, and slider options to preview your images. This was a new feature that was recently added to WooCommerce with the release of the version 3.0. If your theme hasn't been updated according to the specifications, you have to face some problems with that. So this is some of the causes of the problems. First, we have image width and thumbnail fields missing. You might also notice that the width and thumbnail fields of your WooCommerce images are missing from the customizer under Appearance, Customize, WooCommerce, Product Images. This can be the case if your theme has very strict image sizes, so you can't change the theme image sizes throughout the admin at all. In this case, you will need some programmatic knowledge, which we will discuss in the solutions below. Now, how can we fix everything that we mentioned? Well, First of all, as we mentioned, try to figure out what is the problem. So once you figure out the problem, the fix and the solution is going to be easy and simple. So since you are familiar with some of the most common WooCommerce image sizes issues, let's fix them as well. But the image size issues that you encounter might be caused by various reasons, so might not be particular solutions for them. So therefore, we would recommend to use some of the common solutions given below regarding any image size problems. We are sure that one of the solutions will be able to fix WooCommerce image size issues. So first of all, initiate checklist to keep in mind. Before we go through the specific solutions to fix image size issues, there are some things you need to keep in mind. First, make sure that you have properly set up WooCommerce without missing any steps. You might face issues with your websites if not installed correctly. Second, they'd like to remind you to check if everything on your website is updated. That can be causing the problem. And third, ensure that you updated your WooCommerce to the latest available version to know if you have pending updates. Go to plugins, install plugins on your WordPress dashboard. So here, click right here, go to install plugins and check if any of these have any update to be installed. As you can see, I don't have any updates. So second, now set custom WooCommerce image sizes. Now adding custom sizes is one of the most common ways to fix the WooCommerce image size issues. Since most of the problems occur due to the change in the default image size, this should be your first move. Setting up the WooCommerce custom image size is quite easy. On your admin dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on Customize and open the WooCommerce tab to access the customizer. As you can see right here, so go to WooCommerce, then open the product images option. Here you can resize the product page and thumbnail images for your products. To edit the main image of the product page, add the image size that you want to the main image width section. You can also edit the thumbnail sizes and crop in here. If you want to adjust the thumbnail image size, edit the thumbnail width option, then make sure to click on publish and save it. So here just put the width of the main image width and here the thumbnail width, then choose crop in 1:1, custom or uncropped. It's completely up to you, and that could be one of the solutions. Third, check your theme's product image dimensions. That will require for you to go ahead and click on here. Let me just go here and simply click on F12, or then click and hover on the image and you will find that in here. As you can see, this is the width of this specific thumbnail, as you can see. So make sure that it matches the sizes together, both in the customizer and in here. This will explain to you what causes the problem in detail. So make sure that this is fixed as well by you. And yeah, these are the main things. Besides, of course, checking the original picture quality, these are all the solutions that you might go for. So thank you guys, and see you guys in the next tutorial.